All right, welcome back. Third period starting here. There is 5 seconds left of our penalty kill. I'm not going to put it up there just because I can't put in 5-second increments, only 10. Starting off the third, we got Marvin, O'Hearn, Gilmore, and Rayhorn. Marvin will take the face-off, up drop. All right, Sun Devils now at full strength. Gil's out of the box. Bobcats send that into their zone. Gil hustles behind the net there, sends it over to Rayhorn. Rayhorn gets that out. But Bobcats send it back into their zone. Rayhorn with the puck. Gets into the neutral zone, all the way into the offensive zone there. Nice move. He shoots! Oh! Way to go, Rayhorn! I don't know who's over there they're cheering, but wow! He took that puck and skated that all the way in. Way to go, Nate! Tying it up. We'll take that. Keep it up, boys! All right, O'Hearn will take the face-off at center ice. We got Weekly and Schwab back at D now. O'Hearn, Marvin, and Gilmore at forward. Weekly up to Gilmore, who sends it into the offensive zone. Bobcats take it, though. Weekly hustles, sends it over to Gilmore, gets off his stick. O'Hearn gets a piece of it, pops off his stick, though. Bobcats take it back. Bobcats shoot. Saved by Quinn. Good job, Quinn. All right, we got Brant, Fitz, Ishu coming out. Let's get it out, boys. Come on. Good job, Fitzy. Nice, Fitzy. All right, Ishu up front. Oh, try to get it up. Oh. Ishu with the wraparound, can't get it in. Sends it in the corner. Nice, Brant. Oh, rebound. Oh, Weekly kept that in, but slipped and fell. Schwab hustles back. Get it, Schwabi. Good save, Quinn. He sends it up. Brant there to pick it up. Brant skates it in. He looks, tries to send it across. No one there, though. Okay, we got line change. So we have Moyer, Sproud, Neubauer in. With Peck and Winky back at D. Peck with the puck behind our net there. Ooh, nice battle by Peck. With Neubauer there to help. He passes it across to, oh, what happened? Penalty on, I think, Peck. Cross check. All right, so Sun Devils on another penalty kill. Every time we get out of the box, we get back in. We got to stay out. He's cross check. All right, so Neubauer, Moyer, Gil and Rayhorn out here. Woo! Way to go, Quinn. Let's clear it. Good job. Rayhorn flicks that up. Oh, I don't know where that went. So Gil clears that one. Bobcats have the puck behind their net there. Nice block. I think Bobcats blocked that actually. That goes off Quinn's mask there, or helmet. Good job, Cole. All right, we'll have a line change. So we got Grant, Ishu, Winky, and Schwab out here. Grant tries to get that out. Oh, gets it right back. Over to Winky. Winky sends that over. Oh, get it. That's not a hawk, dude. Calm down. Grant battling with the boards here. Hustle. Woo! Way to go, Quinn! Keep it up, boys. All right, we got Schwab, Weekly, Ishu, and Branch out here. Come on, pressure. Clear it. Let's clear it. All right, Sun Devils at full strength. Peck's out of the box. Bitsy coming in. Ooh. There you go, Schwab. Issue with the puck. He sends it across. Schwab hustles back in the corner. Sends it to Issue. Issue up to Grant. Bobcats take it. They flick it up into their zone there. Oh. Nice, Fitzy. All right. Okay, we have Gill and Rayhorn at D, Fitz, Schaefer, and Grove in. Fitzy flicks that into the offensive zone. Come on, Schaefer. Get it. Nice, Schaefer. Oh. Get it. There you go. Come on. Nice body by Gill. Schaefer battling in the boards. Gill sends it over. Around. Gill falls in front of the net there. Bobcats shoot. Goes. Oh. Get it out. That's not good. Get back. There you go. Come on, Fitzy. I have a line change. So O'Hearn, Gilmore, Marvin, Peck, and Winky out. Winky over to Gilmore. Gilmore flicks that into our zone there. Marvin hustles to get it. Loses it. O'Hearn. Ooh, way to keep it in, boys. Gilmore shoots, saved by the goalie. Goes off his path. Peck comes in. Peck sends it over to Winky. Winky sends it into the offensive zone. Goalie plays that puck, stops it behind his net. Oh, that goes off Gilmore's stick. Good job, Quinn. Keep it up, boys. Pressure. All right, we've got Neubauer, Stroud, Moyer, Pollard, and Schwab and Weekly for our D. Nice, boys. Nice hustle by Moyer to get that puck in the neutral zone. Bobcats skate that in. There you go, Schwab. Puck goes in the netting. Let's bring it back this way, boys. Need to get it out of there. Ooh. So no icing there. Nice hustle by Stroud behind the net. Up right. Woo! Way to go, Betty! Neubauer there for that rebound, buddy. Stroud with the assist. Way to go, boys! Keep it up! Let's get more. Neubauer with that goal, everybody. Neubauer flicks that puck into our zone there. Ooh, ref, you're in the way. Puck's offside. So we got Brant, Fitz, Ishu, Winky, and Rayhorn coming in. All right, let's do it again, boys. Let's go, Devils! Rayhorn sends it over. Is he there to Brant? Brant to Ishu. Ishu shoots. Puck's in the air. Oh my God! Rayhorn keeps that puck in. What a play! It was 2-on-1. Ishu just couldn't get that puck in that net. Nice. Ishu gets a stick in there. Rayhorn hustles, sends it behind him to Winky. Winky flicks that up into the neutral zone. Tried to get it to Fitzy. Winky there to help. Ishu there. He looks. He sees the puck. Makes a move. Yeah! Woo! Way to go, Ishu! Finally! Redeemed himself from that last one. There you go, boys. Keep it up. Keep that up, boys. I love the energy. Yeah, Monty. All right, we got Neubauer, Schaefer, Grove, Gill, and Heck out here. I think Winky got that assist. Let's play smart. Nice, Grove with the puck. Grove sends it up the board. Ah! It hit someone's glove. Let's go, Devils. Come on. All right. O'Hearn, Marvin, the Gilmore coming in. Gil and D. Puck goes behind the net there. There you go, Gil. Bobcats shoot, blocked by O'Hearn. O'Hearn sends that up the boards. Come on, Marvin. There you go. Come on, boys. All right, Bobcat shoot goes wide. Gilmore battling, gets the puck. Oh, tried to pass it over to Marvin, but they're going to call him on that. He did good this whole game. Just got to stay out of the box. Come on, boys. All right, who's coming in? Ishu, Brandt, Weekly, and Schwab. Let's go, Devils! Let's get a shorty. Schwab trying to get the puck there. Come on. Or clear it. There you go. Pressure, Lucas. Take him back. Yep. Ooh! Goalie's helmet is off. How did that happen? That could have been scary. All right, O'Hearn and Fix coming in. Let's go, Devils! Ooh, come on. Let's clear it. Good job, Quinn. Why are they pulling their goalie? No, they're going to pull their goalie to make it a 6-on-4. All right. Empty net. Empty net. Empty net. Go. Come on. Come on. Go. Fix the empty net. Oh. Go. Oh. That would have been nice to get an empty netter. 20 seconds left. Get it. Oh, my heart is beating out of my chest, everybody. Woo! Goes wide. Come on, hurry! All right, Sun Devils at full strength. Go! Come on, O'Hearn! Goalie's trying to get back out. You can't. Clear it! Man, you just could not clear that puck to get that empty netter. All right, we got Neubauer, Stroud, Moyer, Weekly, and Schwaben. Let's go, boys! Nice battle by Weekly there. Stroud flicks that into the neutral zone. Neubauer hustles. Moyer there. Come on, boys! Stroud gets the puck, sends it up the board. There you go. Good job, Stroud. Use your body there. All right. Who's coming in? So we got Ishu, Grant, Fitz. Ooh, that hit the post. Uh-oh, someone's stick left. Sorry, I had to start my live stream again. Get it! Woo! Way to go, Quinn! Oh, that's going to be an icing. All right, we got O'Hearn, Marvin, Gilmore, Rayhorn, and Winky out here. My hands are shaking. My heart is pounding. Clear it! Let's go, boys! Yes. Go get it! Oh, they're changing. Never mind. All right. So, off. Oh, no. Oh! That would have been nice if it went in. All right, timeout. Rayhorn gets the puck. He's holding it in the corner. Oh my God, I can't breathe. Get it! We have Winky, Stroud, Rayhorn, O'Hearn, and Moyer out here.
Hey, 32, be aggressive! Be aggressive, Leeds!
Let's go, Devils! All right, Brant Ishu with Fitzy, Weekly, and Schwab out here. Brant to Ishu. Ishu flips it in. Oh, it gets shoots, but it goes wide. Block. Brant shoots. Oh! Ishu takes the puck back behind the net there. Bobcats get the puck. Schwab keeps the puck in. Schwab over in the corner. Bobcats flip that up, and that will be an icing. And we'll bring it back down this way. All right, now Sun Devils will take a timeout. Whew. Mm-hmm. We just couldn't get it out. We couldn't get it. All right, timeout is over, and we will take the face-off in our zone there. So we got, let's see, Fitz, Brant, Ishu, Rayhorn, and Winky. 31 seconds left. Brant will take the face-off. Rayhorn with the puck. Shoots, goes wide though. Fitzy shoots! Oh, no one there for that rebound. Get it! Brant takes the puck. Go, Brant! All right, so it will go into OT, everybody. I think 5 minutes. So OT, I believe it's 4-on-4. Oh, 3-on-3, not 4-on-4. Sorry, my bad. So Brant, Ishu, Rayhorn will start off. Oh, and it's 10 minutes. Sorry. Okay. Oh, sorry. Go. All right, Brant takes the puck, sends it back to Rayhorn. Rayhorn over to Ishu. Ishu skates that in. Oh, hit it back. Get back. You guys. All right, game has concluded. Bobcats won in OT. I hate those overtime ones. All right, we'll see you guys all here Sunday as we play the Junior Coyotes. Thank you all for tuning in.